Hello again everyone, and welcome to the second of this Facebook notices all about numbers. Now just to recap very briefly what we did the last day. Well, I started off by explaining the difference in figures and numbers. Figures tell us quantity, numbers tell us quality, and the energetic vibration that numbers carry. And the study of numbers is simply numerology, coming from the ancient mystery schools, and Pythagoras said all is number. And the universal language is number because all the numbers are the same no matter where you go in the world. Languages differ, but the numbers are always the same, always come up the same calculation, and always look the same shape. Then we talked about the different kind of numbers, single digits, doubles, palindromics, master numbers, and how the universe sends you numbers in order to attract your attention, to get a message to you. And how do we interpret these, we're going to find out shortly. So numbers, shapes and letters, the letters in there too, all carry an energetic vibration. And then I mentioned there's no such thing as coincidence or chance or luck. Yet how come all of these here, World War I, World War II, Putin and invading Ukraine, Twin Towers, they all come in on the energy of number 5. And then the numbers of the flights of the airlines. Look at the sequence, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that all comes in as a 5. Now let's move on. We also looked at the number 5 on which all those energies come in. Number 5, the difference in that and the 4. And the fiery is the 5 energy is the fiery, the energetic, the risk taker. That's the 5. And that's the number we're looking at. Now let's move on to today's. Look at the numbers. From 1 to 9 and then 0. These are they in their digital form. Now, if you look at your digital clock or your radio or your microwave, whatever, no number leaves the stage or leaves the screen to let another number in. Each one imposes itself on the other. So if you look at the shape, you can see 2 imposed on 1. Look at the 3 imposed on the 2. Look at the 4 imposed on the 3, and so on, until you come over here to the 9 and then the 0. Look at the shapes. There is just this line and this line, a horizontal line and a vertical line. That's all you will find in any of these numbers, a combination of horizontal lines and vertical lines. There's nothing else. Look at this 0 here. A 0 on itself has no value. It's only used to enhance or decrease the energetic vibration of the other numbers. So 10 or 20 or 30. 10 is 1 plus 0 equals 1. So the naught is just used to enhance the 1. 20 is 2 plus 0 equals 2. So the 0 of its own has no value. It's just used to enhance or decrease another number. For example, if you have £10 in the bank, then you have £100. You add another naught to it, you're increasing that. You go 0.01, you're decreasing. So this one here is used to enhance or decrease the energetic value, the depth of the energy of a number. Look at the number 8. Today, I'm going to pay attention to the 8 and the 9. Why the 8 and the 9? This book is about the magic of numbers. And if you look at the 8 and the 9, you can certainly see magic. Look at the 8. That's the lemniscate, the figure 8. All of creation is in there. The 8 is the only number that is closed. Every other number has an opening, an outlet. The 8 doesn't. Now, if you take the 8 and you impose the 8 on any of these numbers here, the only number you will see is the 8. The other ones disappear under it. You're left with the 8. But take any one of these numbers and put that number on top of the 8, and you still see the 8 under it. This 8 here is the dominant number. Why? Let's see. Let's look at the 9 first of all. The 9 is the completion, the end of the cycle. There are no straight lines in nature. Everything is cyclical. So when you come to 9, you begin the cycle again. 1 plus 0. You see? The 0, 2 plus 0. And away you go. Okay? Now look at 9. Look at the magic of 9. If you add up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, you get 45. And 4 plus 5 equals 9. 99. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. No matter how many nines you add on to 9, you're still going to end with a single digit 9. Is that not magic? Components of 9 are 3 and 6. 3 by 3 is 9. 6 and 3 is 9. And Tesla, Nikola Tesla, the famous scientist who discovered free energy in the last century, Tesla taught that if you understand 3 and 6 and 9, you have got the keys to the universe. But I'm just after saying that it is the dominant number. It is the key to the universe. It's the only closed number. The infinity sign, the lemniscate, everything is in there. What's the connection? Well, look at the shape of 3. We're talking here about shapes. Look at the shape of 3. It's half the lemniscate. In shape. Look at the 6. The 6 is the bottom half of the 8. Look at the 9. It's the top half of the 8. So these 3 here together are firmly embedded in this number 8. That's the key to the universe, number 8. And if you look at an aerial photograph of the hill of Tara, what do you see? A clear lemniscate, the figure 8. Those ancient settlements, prehistoric settlements, what we call pagan settlements, knew how the energy of the earth worked. They built their settlements in the figure 8, in the lemniscate. And recently in Eamon Macha, Navan just outside Armagh, a team of researchers, archaeologists from Queen's have discovered you cannot see the lemniscate above the ground, but the equipment they've got can go underneath and see what's under there. And they have found settlements down there in exactly the lemniscate shape. And within each part of the lemniscate, they have found other figure 8 in settlements. So these ancient prehistoric peoples, they knew about the energy of the earth, and it's all got to do with number 8. In my next post, we'll be looking at how to calculate your own life path number. So please join me again in a few days to do that. Bye for now.